Hello everyone and welcome to Panlasang Pinoy. For today's video, we are going to cook Filipino spaghetti. This is one of my favorites. It's sweet, meaty, and delicious. Filipino spaghetti is usually served during special occasions such as birthday parties and the holidays. But since this is a super easy and budget-friendly recipe, you can make one for yourself anytime you want. Just like what I am doing right now. So if you're ready, let's begin. First, cook your spaghetti according to the package instructions. Drain the water afterwards and set this aside. Next, it's time to make the spaghetti sauce. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok and then start to saute your garlic. Make sure to chop the garlic into small pieces before cooking it. Saute the garlic until it starts to brown. And then add the onion. I am using yellow onion for this recipe. Saute it for around 2 minutes. Then add the ground meats. I am using 2 types of meats here, ground beef and ground pork. Cook the ground meats until it turns light brown before adding in the chopped luncheon meat. The key with the luncheon meat is to chop it into small pieces. You can also use liver spread or potted meat as alternative ingredients. Continue sauteing this for around 2 minutes more before adding the sliced hot dogs. I am using Filipino hot dogs for this recipe, and you can easily notice it by its reddish color. If this is not available, you can always use other types of hot dogs or even beef franks. Cook it for 1 minute and then add your Filipino-style spaghetti sauce. I also add a little bit of banana ketchup for this recipe. Now, give it a quick stir. Add some water and simmer it for 30 minutes. Make sure to cover your wok while simmering. After 30 minutes, you can now season your spaghetti sauce. Simply add ground black pepper and salt. And now, we are done! Arrange your pasta on a serving platter and top it with half of your spaghetti sauce. Remember to put a generous amount of grated or shredded cheese on top. Once you add enough cheese, just give this a quick toss, just to distribute all the ingredients in the platter. Finish this by pouring the remaining sauce on top and by adding a generous amount of shredded or grated cheese on top. This is your Filipino spaghetti. Tara, kain tayo!